It's December 2021 and Eleuthera is anchored in Graciosa, one of the northern Canary Islands. Nev and I decided it would be a good idea to walk up this extinct volcano to the rim. The views from there were fantastic. This is Nev pointing to our boat anchored in the bay. And this is the ridge of the caldera itself. The swells were coming round the western part of the island, and we're pretty pleased that we're at anchor at the moment. The ground was littered with these tiny little seashells, which must mean the island at some point in history was underwater. After climbing to the rim of the volcano at Graciosa, we came across this mysterious pile of rocks, the origin of which is completely inexplicable. Very strange. We couldn't figure it out. Perhaps some mystical significance. We don't really know. Very odd. Very strange. I'm standing in a rectangle of stone, made, we think, about 500 years ago by the Portuguese. It represents an ancient burial site, which emanates a huge amount of energy. And in fact, some people have said they can... Actually, I can feel it now. Oh my God, I can feel it. I can feel it. I think I'm going.